everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how I set up my home media server. I got this little machine on a refurbished site here in Romania. It was 60 euros and I kinda feel like I overpaid for this. Just watch. It has an i3 4310, 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, which has already been upgraded. I have connected this to a gigabit internet connection. We are going to begin by starting the Windows installation. I have Windows on this just for commodity and simplicity's sake. We are installing the OS on the 128 GB drive. You can choose any Windows edition you want. I recommend the versions that are at least Pro or Enterprise, as they have remote desktop. I'm using Windows 10 LTSC because it just comes with a lot of useless programs taken out. After this, we are doing some partitioning. I had this running Linux earlier and I had to make sure I only had NTFS partitions on my Windows system. Once the partitioning is done, we should switch to a better viewing angle. So let's set up remote desktop. Much better. First things first, let's make the Windows system log itself on in case of an unexpected restart. The team at Microsoft sysinternals has a nice tool named AutoLogon which does this exact same thing. Starting to install the programs. First is the torrent client, qBittorrent. I am setting up the remote web UI and the download directories. Since the external hard disk is slow and the SSD is not on a USB 3 adapter, we will not be able to take advantage of the full gigabit speed my plan offers. So I will make a temp downloads folder. Downloads will first go there and then they'll go to the SSD or HDD. After this, I'm installing Jellyfin. It's a nice and versatile media server. Nice web UI, movie and series detection, and most importantly, DLNA support. I will just create a user, select the library, and it's kinda done. In the settings, I'm going to also make a new user and then download the DLNA plugin. installing some tools for whenever I need them. WinRAR and Notepad++. Also notice in this video how bloated is the internet without ad blocking or DNS stuff. I should make a video on that. And a few reboots are done, this is the final result. A nice jellyfin install with a nice web UI and DLNA, and the smart devices already see this server. Nice. Just get the torrent file and throw it into the client. That's really all. Well, this was the video. It's my first actually good edited and worked on video, and I hope to get and find more topics on stuff to make videos on. If you like this style of videos, please leave a like and comment, or in case you have any questions. That's all. Goodbye.